They were built to glide across northwest waters, yet you'll find quite a few on display inside Tacoma's Foss Waterway Seaport. Stunning examples of craftsmanship from another era. These are Willits Brothers canoes, and each one tells a story of two brothers who devoted their lives to perfection.
The main thing is the quality of construction is just second to none.
Pat Chapman has written a book about the Willits Brothers, who began building canoes in 1908. By 1921, they'd established their factory on Tacoma's Day Island, where they would work for the next 5 decades. Over 50 years, the brothers built more than 900 canoes, purchased by hobbyists, summer camps, and rental places. All 17 feet long, all meticulously crafted with the same red cedar Native Americans had been using for thousands of years. When the brothers died, the factory was sealed, essentially mothballed for another 50 years. Everything remained exactly as the brothers had left it.
It was really like opening King Tut's tomb.
Pat and Michael were convinced they discovered a great subject for a documentary. The result is the award-winning documentary Makers on the Tide, which happens on this day to be getting a new ending. After the filmmakers made yet another discovery, hanging from the rafters of a motor shop in Spanaway, the oldest Willits Brothers canoe on record.
It's funny to have the culminating end of the story be the beginning of the story.
Another testament to two lives lived in pursuit of perfection.